Zoe? Okay, good girl. My mom cooking here. Okay.
Now the future is bright.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, it's been a long time that I don't vlog, and look at our background. Okay, anyway, guys, I just want to let you know that some of my friends are coming here this evening, and so that's gonna be for the vlog today. So I'm just waiting for them now, and we are trying to cook something for the dinner, and yeah. Okay, guys. Today I'm preparing some Naga dish. Naga dish, which is a pork curry for my friend. In the process, this I have been cooking for around 20 minutes because I want it to be boiled very nicely. So yes, after this, I'm going to add here some tomatoes. Like this.
Do you love me, Matthew?
I do.
Honestly?
Yes. Secretly, but honestly.
No more secrets.
Here I am, making up for you. Here I am, making up for you.
Yeah, stop. 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 Do a bit on that side. Oh, something is so less.
What? You put someone?
Yeah, the onion is very less, I think.
I'm telling I'll put someone.
Here too, I'll put on music, not even if it's over.
Yeah, yeah.
Oops! One more stop.
Yes, there.
I'll stay here.
Nice.
Yeah, now. So.
What is that?
A bit stop. Wait. Okay guys, right now it's on process, the food is, so within just 5 minutes it's going to be done. And not just that curry for tonight's dinner, but there are some more items, and that I'm gonna show you when we'll be having dinner.
Anyway guys, this is pretty much for today's video. I don't think so I'll be able to vlog for the rest of the videos because I'll be quite busy when my friends will be there. So yep, if you enjoyed this video, please do like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notification. Thank you. Stay safe, stay fine.